forecast hot with afternoon thunderstorms, a high of 94.
This report is sponsored by ToyotaofKaty.com.
It's only at Toyota of Katy.
Complimentary oil changes and tire rotations for life with the Toyota of Katy commitment. Now that's real value, real commitment.
If it's a deal you're chasing, it's an Acton and Mason. It's only at Toyota of Katy. The big RAV4 summer sell-down has begun at Fred Pass Toyota Country.
Get low financing rates on every new 2019 RAV4.
Plus $12.50 TFS cash.
Fred Pass Toyota Country.
Grainberry. Excuse me, do you work at this grocery store?
Yeah.
Can you toss a box of grainberries into my car? I can't reach the top shelf.
Sure. You know, I love Greenberry cereal, too.
Another box, please?
Greenberry cereal's great for sugar control. It has tons of antioxidants.
Yep, another, please.
Wow, you must have a big family.
Cut the chit-chat, Jerry. I'm only here for the grainberry.
Greenberry cereal with amazing onyx. Grab a box today.
Grainberry.
Save thousands at Finnegan Chevrolet Buick GMC. 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500s, $13,000 off. Wow! 2018 GMC Sierra 1500s, $16,000 off. Fort Mitt's family owned Finnegan Chevrolet Buick GMC. FinneganChevrolet.com.
Saturday, July 27th, Coors Light and the Buzz present Blue October live at the Houston Music and Arts Festival at White Oak Music Hall. The party kicks off at 2 with live entertainment, food trucks, art displays, and more. Live music all day with Blue October and Lighting Fat Night. Proceeds benefit Assist the Officer to support the Houston Police because blue backs the blue. Houston Music and Arts Festival presented by Coors Light, Saturday, July 27th. Buy tickets at whiteoakmusichall.com.
David Taylor Cadillac is now the all-new Sterling McCall Cadillac. Lease the new 2019 XT5, $409 a month for 39 months with zero down. It's not just a Cadillac, it's a Sterling McCall Cadillac. SterlingMcCallCadillac.com. No security deposit plus TTNO.
It's Teresa. I did this thing, and I kind of want to tell you about it because I think you're going to like it as well. I had a consultation at Innovative Lasers of Houston. If you have those stubborn fat spots that just won't go away, this is for you. Innovative Lasers of Houston have a non-invasive, fast, painless, and very safe Zerona treatment. This laser, it's FDA approved, it's safe, and it basically breaks up that stubborn fat and helps you lose weight, lose inches, no downtime, no side effects. It's amazing. Tell them Teresa told you about it and you want to know more information. InnovativeLasersofHouston.com or call 281-888-3094.
Hi, I'm Bonnie, and during the Great American Sales Event at Joe Myers Ford, get a new 2019 Super Crew for only $27,588. Plus, get a 100,000-mile warranty and make no payments for the summer. Even 0% for 72 months. You get it all for one unbeatable low price of $27,588. Only at Joe Myers Ford, where we'll be any deal by any dealer. Go further.
So, you're shopping, and that's when you see it. Aisle 23. Rich, delicious Dr. Pepper stacked from top to bottom as far as the eye can see. You look up again. Yep, aisle 23. You think, hey, Dr. Pepper has 23 flavors, so even though an entire aisle full of Dr. Pepper doesn't necessarily make sense, calling that aisle 23 makes absolute sense. Then you think, I have abnormally long inner thoughts. Wait, did that can of Dr. Pepper just open itself for you? They're all opening for you, welcoming you with their one-of-a-kind flavor, as if to say, so nice to treat you. And even though it feels weird to talk to a can, you pick one up and say, it's so nice to be treated. Dr. Pepper, so nice to treat you.
Make a splash this summer at Big Rivers Water Park and Gator Bayou Adventure Park, Houston's newest destination with water slides, rides, and attractions for the whole family. Check us out at BigRiversWaterPark.com. And while you're there, grab a rich, delicious Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper, so nice to treat you.
Hey, what's up? It's your brother Ron talking about Shell Federal Credit Union. Have some extra money that you want to save? You can earn 2.55% APY on a 30-month share certificate when you bring in $50,000 new money to Shell FCU. Plus, they'll give you $250 cash back. You'll also be entered in the Great Grocery Giveaway. 3 $500 winners every month. For details, visit shellfcu.org. And Shell FCU, together, we're family.
At iFly, we're engineers who build vertical wind tunnels so humans can fly. Yes, fly. Why? Because America needed the ultimate place to celebrate the fall. happy moments at the place where occasions actually feel special. It's why we built 2 iFly locations here in Houston. It's time to rise above the ordinary. Choose to fly at iFlyWorld.com.
Second Fast and Buick GMC Summer Sale Thought is on. This month only, get new 2019 Sierras, Yukons, Terrains, Acadias, Encores, and Enclaves, all over $10,000 off. GMC, we are professional grade.
Save it back investing.com.
If you have the need for speed, the best go-kart racing is the Lottery.com Speed Sports Racing Park on Highway 242 and 59. There's no racing experience like this. Speed Sports Racing Park is perfect for a night out, parties, or group events. Single and multi-race packages are available and open to the public for a Rise and Drive racing Wednesday to Sunday. Go to speedsportsracingpark.com to learn more. The Lottery.com Speed Sports Racing Park is co-sponsored by Central Modern Homes near the Woodlands. New homes from the high 200s. CentralModern.com.
Hey, Houston, Texas Direct Auto has had your back for almost 20 years now, and they still do today. They have thousands of low-mileage, pre-owned, flood-free, and hail-free cars and trucks ready for you to take home. That's right, their wide selection of vehicles are guaranteed to be flood-free and hail-free. There's so many makes and models, and they're all at really great prices. Texas Direct Auto is powered by Vroom, and their team is standing by and ready to help you out now. Visit them in Stafford off Highway 59 South. They're open Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Texas Direct Auto is here for you, Houston. Come and see them or visit them at TexasDirectAuto.com.
From the TexasDirectAuto.com studios.
We're back to the music.
Are you here for Pinky Swear?
Houston's rock and alternative.
94.5